Hi there. Are you ready to write a children's book for Amazon KDP? Well, great news. With the help of ChatGPT, you'll be able to create a captivating story in no time. First things first, you'll need to sign up and log in to ChatGPT. This gives you access to the amazing language generation capabilities of this model. Now it's time to choose what your children's book will be all about. You can ask ChatGPT to generate a few topics for a children's book and choose your favorite one. With your topic in mind now, type a few sentences about what you want your story to be about, and ChatGPT will generate the next part of your story based on that. Keep refining your story until you have a complete draft. When you have your draft, it's time to format your book for Amazon KDP. Choose a book size, font, and add illustrations or images if you'd like. Make sure your book is perfectly formatted and ready to go. And finally, you can upload your book to Amazon KDP and make it available for purchase. With ChatGPT, writing a children's book has never been easier or more fun.